I often receive the question, is stock trading gambling? So today we're gonna talk about that. So is stock trading gambling? Well, this depends on two things. The first thing is how you select a stock that you want to invest in. And the second thing is how you manage the trade. Let's talk about the first one, picking a stock. Many people pick a stock based on a hot stock tip that they get from a friend or from a website. Might be a marijuana stock or a biotech stock, right? So they get the hot stock tip that there's something about to happen. I want to show you something really scary. Take a look at this. So let's go to Google and just Google hot stock tip and see what's coming up, shall we? So hot stock tip. Here we go. Let's see what we have. Oh wow, look at the first one here. 17 out of 19 stocks rose. Fantastic. Let's take a look at this. So here we go. All right, latest alerts. Let's go right there. Oh my gosh, the first one. For sure, this must be a marijuana stock. So that's what everybody is crazy about these days. So let's check it out, because they say it went from 9 cents to 47.9 cents. So 432% gains. Let's take a look at this. So we go to finance.yahoo.com and enter the symbol MJNA. So let's do this, MJNA. And here we go, Medical Marijuana Inc. What can possibly go wrong, right? Let's take a look at this. So here we're bringing up the charts on full screen. Now let's take a look at this. Whoa, now that's odd. Look at this. Didn't they say, wait, what did they say? This is the chart over the past 2 years. We're looking at the chart over the past 2 years, and it has been trading at 10 cents for the past 2 years. What did they say? It went from 9 cents to 48 cents? Well, that's interesting. I don't see that at all. Do you see this? So, is this how you pick stocks? Have you ever experienced like this? What do you think about this? Leave a comment right below and let me know what you think about this. But let's take a look at the next pick here. So the next pick is VMRI. Let's do this. VMRI, so we're looking it up, VMRI, just double check. Valmy Resources Inc. No idea what that is. We're looking at the last 2 years here. That's what we're looking at. So right now it's trading at a cent, 1 cent. Wow, look at that. That is very interesting. Didn't they say that it went to $6? $6? I don't see this. Now, if you pick a stock like this, then of course stock trading is gambling. Here's how I pick a stock. I'm using a scientific approach. I am using indicators. And in another video, I will show you exactly how I do it. But if you are relying on the hot stock tip, then most probably you're gambling. Is this making sense? If so, leave a comment below and say, yes, this is making sense to you. Now, the second important factor, whether you're gambling or not, depends on how you manage the trade. And what do I mean by this? When managing the trades, there's two things that you need to keep in mind. First of all, when do you exit the trade with a loss, because losses happen when trading? And secondly, when do you exit the trade with a profit? Here is my rule of thumb. I never risk more than 2% of my trading account on any given trade. What does this mean? Well, let's say you have a $10,000 account. If you're entering a trade, you risk 2% of $10,000, which is $200. So if you lose on this trade, you lose $200. Well, big deal, right? You still have $9,800 left. So this means that you still have enough money to enter the next trade. But what do most people do? They just don't set a stop loss and let the trade go down, 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 down. That, to me, is gambling. Now, the other way to manage a trade is with a profit target. You want to take profits while they are there. And here is the golden rule that I like to use. For every dollar that I risk, I want to make $2. Or for every $100 that I risk, I want to make $200. Or like in our example, for every $200 that I risk, I want to make $400. Now, the beautiful thing, if you follow this principle, if you apply the golden rule, you'll make money even if you're wrong half of the time. Hard to believe? Let me prove it to you. Now let's say you're risking 2% of your account on any given trade, and if you have a $10,000 account, it would be $200. Now, you also apply the golden rule, meaning that when you risk $200, you're trying to make $400. Making sense? Now let's say that you're placing 10 trades. Half of these trades are losing trades. So what does that mean? How much do you lose on your losing trades? Well, 5 trades are losing trades, and on these 5 trades you lose $200 each, means that you lose $1,000. Now, the other 5 trades are winning trades, and let's say on those you make $400 each, because that's our profit target. So 5 times $400 is $2,000. Now take a look at this. How much money do you have after 10 trades? Right, it's $1,000, and look at this. Half of your trades were losing trades. Now, can you see how this is a scientific way to approach the markets? If you risk less on your losing trades than you make on your winning trades, this is how you can succeed in trading. Now, again, losses are part of our business as traders, and you want to make sure that you limit your losses and that you also take profits while they are there, because these days profits can disappear quickly. Have you ever experienced that you had a winning trade and then it turned into a losing trade? If so, leave a comment below. So, in summary, is stock trading gambling? It all depends on how you approach it. It is gambling if you're relying on a hot stock pick from a website or a friend of a friend, or I don't know, however you get your hot stock picks. And secondly, yes, it is gambling if you do not limit your losses and if you do not know when to take profits. However, if you have a proven way on how to pick stocks and you have a proven way how to exit a trade by keeping your losses small and taking profits while they are there, then stock trading is no longer gambling, because then you have a plan. You have a trading system, and when you follow it, the chances of making money in the markets are much higher than relying on the hot stock tip, as we have just seen. Hope this helps. Did you enjoy it? Leave a comment below to let me know what you think, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'll talk to you soon. Click on like and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get new videos automatically.